Darrell, it's that V Graves. I'm right here on that front page. I gotta talk that in my head. That girl called my phone talking. But I ain't doing that no more. I gotta sleep, I gotta snore. But she be kinda boring me. Now she know I'm the MVP. Then she wanna know me. She be talking more than me, but I be like a homie me. A homie kinda nicer. She kinda like that nicer, but I like the burning graves, nigga. I be kinda slicer like I ain't talking about nothing. Sipping on something in my home, but know about V graves and I love them. All them girlfriends, all them lovely people coming. I ain't sipping on nothing. It's that shit coming. If the nigga know about me, then they know I ain't frontin'. I'm B Graves. Yeah, I'm B Graves. Niggas behave. Know about me. I'm from fucking show me. The niggas know me. Hold on. Hold on. Hey. I'm kinda up all night. Matter of fact, my fuck yo ex-wife. She loved my life. I cut her down. Then she talking about me because I like to rub her down. With the lotion, with the potion, it's the ocean in emotion. Kinda messed up, but I keep on going. The niggas come, they talk wrong. But they girlfriends take their thongs home in the morning. Spread on the couch. They know about me, got that fire mouth. Big lips on them things that be moving. Girls right here in the sexual, I'm grooving. Caught up in the rapture. Niggas know about me, beat them like a raptor. Ain't Jurassic, but I last bitch. You know me, I scratch your real itch. Hey, yeah, I'm single. Burning graves right here. Kinda got a bingo. I ain't talking about nothing. Talking about you. You see me coming through, baby. Post me in the loo. Yeah, I'm burning. V graves. Behave. Talk about me. I be loving on you. I ain't talking about you, but your baby girl wanna be my real type boo tonight. Now she be wanting to talk to me, but I'm like a multiple choice. Baby, this the show, the voice. If you ain't nice, I turn your choice. Well, yeah.